Hello everyone. Take a straw and then cut out the curly portion of it. Add glue on one of the sides and then stick it together as such. Add a small piece of straw in the middle of it. Now make a perpendicular shape as such. Stick it all together. Now you must have this shape. Take some cardboard paper, make multiple strips out of it. Curve the edges. Now take a straw. Make 4 of them of the same length. Stick it as the legs of a chair. At the top, make the arms and the back as well. Take multiple pieces of straw and then make this shape out of it. Many perpendicular shapes. Make an almost A shape out of it, then take a bottle cap, add it to the center as such. Take a bottle and then cut it. Add the top on top of the bottom once more. Add multiple bottle caps on the side. Do this using some hot glue. Once you stick it all together, it should look like a transformer. Take a bottle and then make multiple slits on it as such. Add a balloon through it and then blow air into it. Make a knot in the balloon. Make a hole in a bottle cap and then add a stick through. Make it a decorative piece. Add ears and a cute little mouth and eyes to it. Take a green bottle, cut it into half. Take 2 green straws, add it on either side. Attach it all together and then spin it. Take another piece of the bottle cap that you have cut out. Use the base. Use it to lift water. Take a red or orange sheet of paper, make multiple slits on it as such, and then add tape on either of the sides. Fold it and then stick it together as such. It should look like a lantern. Take a bottle and then take a cup. Add one into the other, make a hole in them. Add a monkey-like face to the cup. Use a straw and then push it through. Add some juice on one of the sides. Take a bottle and then cut it up. Add one on top of the other again, and then using the excessive parts of the bottle, make a conical shape out of it. Using a hot glue gun, stick this handle. Make a hole through a bottle and then use the spray portion of any bottle that you have out of it. Add glue on it and stick it so that you can use it yourself to spray water. Thank you for watching.